Hey everyone! What if I told you that you could fortify your online accounts from hackers with just a single app? Well, you can. And the number one reason it's so effective is time-based codes, which are far less susceptible to hacking. Welcome back to CyberSec Consulting Leaders channel, your go-to source for all things cybersecurity. Stick around, as we reveal the top 5 security boosters of Google Authenticator. Before we dive deeper into time-based codes, let's quickly recap. Google Authenticator is a free app providing two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your online accounts. It generates time-sensitive codes to use along with your passwords, giving you that extra layer of unbeatable security. Moving on to the second feature, multi-platform support. Whether you're an Android or iOS user, Google Authenticator has got you covered. The third game changer is offline access. Believe it or not, you can generate authentication codes without an internet connection. It's a lifesaver when you're in a place with no Wi-Fi. Fourth on our list is QR code setup. A quick scan and you're set, minimizing errors and saving time. Lastly, never forget backup codes. Store them securely. They're your lifeline if you lose your primary device. And that wraps up our guide to mastering Google Authenticator's top 5 security boosters. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. For more expert insights, keep it locked to CyberSec Consulting Leaders. Until next time, stay secure.